What's going on, you guys? My name is Andre and I'm excited that you are watching my next video here on this YouTube channel. So for those of you who are brand new, by the way, it is my job to make sure that you are going to fire your boss, quit your 9-to-5 jobs and enjoy this amazing, beautiful life, mostly as a result of this tool called Facebook Marketplace Dropshipping, a tool that allowed me to do pretty much the same. So if any of that sounds good to you, do consider smashing that like button, subscribing to the channel, hit the notification bell. You guys are familiar with all of that because it really does help my channel grow and it does help other people discover this video and discover this amazing method that I'm very much excited to share with you all. So let's begin. So this method is not guaranteed to work all the time. I actually made a post on a pretty big Facebook Marketplace dropshipping group and I had 4 volunteers, 4 people who shared permissions with me for the business manager and for the commerce manager shop. So this method worked only once out of 4 times. So it is about 25% success rate. So be warned about that. Keep that in mind. However, there is no harm in trying, right? So what this method is, it's basically it involves sharing permissions with another user. So number 1, you need to invite someone into your account. If you have a friend or if you have a girlfriend or a wife, you can even do that with their Facebook account, or you will need to find someone who essentially can access your business manager using their account. And I don't mean sharing your login and password, because you need to basically go into your commerce manager shop, settings, permissions, and do it that way. So once that's done, you need to make sure that they have full control of the shop. Once they do have that, the shop owner then needs to go to settings, business assets, marketplace sales channel, and they need to disable it and then re-enable it back. And what will happen is the state of the marketplace sales channel will change from under review, all that stuff, to available in early 2022. And that will actually allow you guys to fix it possibly with another account and with your account. Now, this is where the very important part plays out. The other account that you share the full control access, they will actually need to give you child access. So keep that in mind. It's not that they should have child access, but the shop owner needs to have child access in order for this to work, because if the other account tries to fix it, it will not work. But if the shop owner has child access and fixes it, then there is a chance that it will work. Again, it's not guaranteed, but so far there is a 25% success rate for this to work. So again, the shop owner needs to disable it, then re-enable it. Then the other account needs to change the shop owner's permission to manage shops, manage catalog only, so 2 check marks. And then the shop owner needs to refresh the page and they will see that they now have very limited access to the shop, and they need to manage channels. And then there will be a little thing called Enable Marketplace Sales Channel. And very similarly to the trick, the shop owner now will re-enable the sales channel and it will turn to green dot enabled. And then the other account can revert the user permissions back to full control to the shop owner. And then with a little bit of luck and faith, if the shop owner refreshes their page and the marketplace sales channel is still green dot enabled, well then, great news, the issue is fixed and your marketplace sales channel is now officially re-enabled. So I'm going to share a proof of the client that I worked with from the Facebook group. He messaged me back on Facebook. Then we took the conversation to text messages. I described him the process. He invited me to his business manager. He followed all the steps that I just told you guys in the video. And at the very end, he confirmed the next day that sales have started coming back in and he's seeing traffic and engagement in Discovery tab. So I do hope you guys find this video helpful. If you do and try this method and it works and it doesn't work, still do comment under this video. It will help me understand the whole situation and collect more data. So if you are finding this video valuable so far, do consider smashing the like button, subscribing to the channel, hitting the notification bell. Again, thank you so much for your time and I will see you in the next video.